put a mirror in front of the guineas so they could see themselves. Oh my. What is that, guineas? See how beautiful you are? See what a pretty chicken you are?
I mean, every time they see themselves, it's gotta be like the first time they've ever seen that chicken.
Yeah. Like, great, we got new chickens to have to get to deal with here. Wait till you see yourself, Thor.
A few more steps. There it is. Should be able to see himself now. Well, that mirror has no effect.
Uh-oh, Thor.
Watch out that mirror, Thor.
I want to see if they'll peck at it from the mirror. Yep, see that?
Thor doesn't make no mind of that mirror.
Oh. Uh-oh. There we go. Is he gonna see himself?